Plaintiff Dakota Merritt says he knew the defendant through mutual friends, and at first he thought he was an okay guy, until he discovered the defendant had a criminal past that included gun possession and disorderly conduct. Dakota's suing the defendant because he claims he stole Dakota's truck and totaled it while driving drunk. Defendant Mitchell Nuremberger says on the night of the accident, he was at a party that Dakota was throwing. Mitchell claims he ran out of beer at the party and asked Dakota if he could take his truck to purchase more, and Dakota agreed. Although Mitchell admits to wrecking the truck, he feels Dakota's partially responsible, and he's countersuing for the cost of a ticket.
Start with you.
I first met Mitchell at a party house we used to party at in Oshkosh on the university campus. Thought he was an all right guy. We had mutual friends and stuff. Turns out he wasn't that great. Looked up his track record, and he's got everything on there from gun possession to disorderly conduct.
When did you look that up? Before he damaged your car?
After I had to find his address because he disappeared for 2 weeks.
All right. You want to give me some background on yourself?
Same thing. I know Dakota through parties, mutual friends. Thought he was the right guy too.
Tell me why you're suing him.
Well, the night of August 19th, I just got my diploma from Fox Valley Tech for graduating.
Congratulations. That's 09?
Yeah.
Congratulations. Go ahead.
I threw a little party for celebration, you know. Mitchell showed up with a couple of his friends. Next thing I know, I'm getting a call saying that he got no WI, fleeing the scene, and my truck was totaled.
Did you give him permission to drive your truck?
No, I didn't give him the keys at all.
Did you speak with him about it?
Yeah.
What did he say?
Well, he said he was sorry, he messed up.
He didn't say why he had taken your keys and where he was going or anything?
I don't really know where he was going.
Sir, maybe he'll tell us today. What happened?
That night, he was throwing a party at his house. I ran out of beer. I asked him if I could use his vehicle to go get more. He gave me his keys.
He did give you his keys, and you did ask him.
Yes, I did.
You ran out of beer, or the party ran out of beer?
I myself ran out of beer.
You were in the corner somewhere drinking up all your beer personally.
Yes.
Was everybody in the corner hoarding their own beer?
No, they weren't.
You were the only one?
No.
How many people were at this party?
Less than 20.
And how many people were keeping their beer to themselves?
Nobody, sir.
Just you?
I guess, yes.
You got a problem, maybe?
I could say yes, okay. I have a alcohol problem.
Good, I'm glad to hear you admit that. And that's the first step to overcoming it. So you went to get yourself some beer. You asked if you could, and he said yes.
Correct.
And what happened then?
I went from his house, which is about 6 or 5 blocks away from my house. My phone rang. It was my girlfriend. I had to pick it up because I wasn't out with her that night, so I have to pick up her phone call. I'm making a right-hand turn. As I'm looking at the phone, I crashed directly into a light pole. I've never been in a car accident before. I put the car in park. I drove, a few blocks down to a friend's house, got out, checked out the car, and the cops showed up, and I was given the breathalyzer test and the field sobriety test. I failed the field sobriety test, but I passed the BAC or the breathalyzer test because I was.
Do you think you should pay for the damage, sir?
Do I think I should pay for the damages? Yes. No, I do not.
Why?
Why? Because he, knowing that I was drinking at his house, gave me the keys to his vehicle.
What caused the accident?
What caused the accident?
Why do you keep asking me the same thing I'm asking you?
What caused the accident was my intentive driving caused the accident.
Right. So that was negligence.
Yes, it was.
So you were negligent. Had you successfully made the argument that it occurred because you were drunk and that indeed he did, know that you were drunk and voluntarily gave you the keys, you might have a case for what we call contributory negligence, meaning he contributed to the damage of his car because he shouldn't have given his car keys to a drunk person.
That's what I'm
but
saying.
that's not what caused the accident.
Right.
And he denies he gave them to you voluntarily. So you haven't proven that. So you certainly owe him. You have your estimates?
Yes.
Secondly, why are you suing him for $200 for the cost of a ticket? This is a football game or something? Basketball? What?
No. Since he knew I was drinking and I crashed his vehicle, he basically helped contribute to my tickets, yes.
Really? Oh. Judgment for the plaintiff in the amount requested, $4,453. Your claim is dismissed. Certainly he isn't responsible for you driving while intoxicated. And I order you, sir, to at least outpatient treatment for alcoholism since you were brave enough to admit that you have that problem. I hope you're smart and brave enough, and I think you are, to go and receive that type of treatment. All right?
Okay.
Good luck to you. Have a good day.